Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. So I'm just from the market and I wanted to go through my market haul. So first things first, if you've watched my meal plan video, before I go to the market I usually write down a shopping list deduced from our meal plan. So let's say if our plan for Monday, timetable for Monday, requires that we're going to eat chicken and let's say fried cabbage and rice. So I deduce from that meal plan. So that would mean from the market I will need to buy cabbage, I will need to buy onions for frying the chicken, and garlic and ginger and dania. So I usually go meal by meal. That way I don't end up forgetting anything on my shopping list. I shop from Githurai Market. So let's go. I show you guys what I've gotten from the market. So for my market haul, I bought all this for 195. The trick is to buy things in kgs instead of pieces. So like for broccoli, I bought it at 120 per kilo, and yeah, so they weigh for you, then they calculate per kilo. Then I also bought tomatoes. This was going for 3 pieces for 20 Kenya shillings. Then garlic, I'm yet to find someone who sells garlic in kgs at Githurai Market. So this I usually buy per piece at 20 per piece. Then the bell peppers I bought at 200 per kilo. So all these were going for 200. Then I found someone who sells spices. They're selling this pack of bay leaves for 50 bob, and this pack of whole cardamom for 50 shillings. Then for the danias, all this I bought for 60 shillings. The vendor added me one bunch. Then fruits are a bit expensive. I was disappointed by the sizes. The apples are smaller, but I'm told that's how the market is currently. So these imported oranges are going for 30 each. There were the local oranges, but I tried that some time back and some of them were bitter, so and my people didn't like that, so we prefer just buying the imported oranges. Then the apples were going for 25 bob a piece, but the green ones are going for 30. Then for the green bell pepper, going for 10 bob a piece. Then these carrots were going for 200 for the 2 kg container. Then I also got coconut. One piece was going for 100, so I only got 2 pieces. The others I think I'll just buy the powder, the coconut powder. Then I also got nduma for our breakfast. 3 of them are going for 100, which to me was a very good deal, so I bought for 300 shillings. Then I also bought French beans because it's on our menu, so this all of this was going for 150. Another thing, onions are being sold like gold, guys. So at Githurai, onions are going for 170 shillings per kilo. So I bought 5 kgs. Then I also bought potatoes, the small bucket, which was going for 800. The big bucket was going for 1100. For my house shopping, like the toiletries and the dry goods and things like that, we buy from a wholesale shop. First of all, because it's cheaper, and the good thing about the wholesale shop that I buy from is that they allow you to pick even smaller quantities, even though they're a wholesale shop. So if you want to buy, let's say, like 1 piece of Colgate, you can buy that at a cheaper price than the supermarket. The disadvantage is that sometimes they don't have like the brands that you want in stock, so you end up just going with the brands that they currently have because you want to save money. But I do save a lot of money shopping from them. They also deliver, but the service is not really top notch, especially during end month. You really have to exercise a lot of patience when you order from them, because I think they get overwhelmed and they haven't done anything to like build capacity for the orders that usually come at the end of the month. So sometimes they can deliver even after within 48 hours. But yeah, it's super convenient for me. I haven't found another better option like with better service at the moment, so that's what we use. Then bar soap, then a couple of spices, hot and sweet. We have spaghetti on our menu, so we bought spaghetti. Then sugar, 4 kgs of sugar. Then we have green grams on our menu, so I bought 2 kgs that we're going to boil. Then Raycom Choosy Mix, the refill. I find this a bit cheaper than than buying the one in a container, because I already have these containers, these spice jars for that, so I don't need it to come in the plastic container. Then beef cubes. Then these are butter beans, the white beans. We prefer them to the red beans. Then we have cooking oil, 5 liters, and then this pearl rice. I really love this rice. It cooks really well, comes out like fluffy, and then it's long grain. And just look at the packaging, guys. This is not even a paid ad, but yeah, it's giving premium. Yeah, so basically that's it for our shopping. Oh, we also bought that's inclusive of the delivery, and this will take us a month. There is no tissue because we usually buy tissue 40 pack after every 2 months, so the 40 pack takes us for 2 months. So for the next month I will restock tissue because we bought the 40 pack last month. So for our meat haul, we have chicken breast. That's because on our menu for this month we have chicken schnitzel. It's just like flattened out chicken breast, then marinated, then dipped in breadcrumbs and fried. Then we have some chicken wings. I got a kg of this to cook on one of the Sunday lunches. So for my chicken, both the breast and the wings I usually get from City Market, stall 43. The chicken breast was 550 per kilo, and the wings I think were 500 per kilo. I'm not so sure, but they're about. Then we also have some oxtail that we'll have on Fridays, and then this is minced meat for samosas for breakfast. So I will need to marinate the chicken breast, all of this actually, and they have different marinades. Yeah, so I need to do that before I batch them according to the meals, and then I put them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them. Then of course the minced meat, I'll cook them, then make the samosa wraps and fill them. It is so dirty, it's actually embarrassing. So let's get this cleaned up.